Hey guys, how's it going? Dutchman Games here. I just want to give you guys an update on what I've been working on. This is a game I've been working on for quite a long time, but now I feel like it's in such a state that I can show it off a little bit. So this game is called Dark Sentinel. It's a first-person dungeon crawler explorer RPG. It has a very simple story. I won't really go into that, but the core of the gameplay of this game is that it's an RPG first-person style, kind of like Elder Scrolls, Daggerfall, or Arena, the first ones. And the main idea is that you can use your fire and ice magic to interact with the environment. So you can turn on torches, you can turn them off, you can freeze water, you can ignite or extinguish fires, and etc. Then there's also talent trees, so you can expand on your character, give it like healing abilities and AOE abilities and all kinds of stuff, and find weapons. And it has a fun but simple combat system. And I've been testing this game quite a lot. I've been showing it to a lot of people, and everyone seems to really enjoy the gameplay itself. And I was initially kind of hesitant to show this off because I am working on another project, of course, House of a Thousand Hallways. But because I've been working on this for so long, I just wanted to show you guys and kind of get an idea of what you guys think of it. So let me know in the comments. This is a very short snippet, of course, of the gameplay, but everything in this game is custom made. The skeleton models are placeholder, so they will be changed in due time, but for now they're just a marketplace asset. But everything else is custom made. The music is, the sound effects are, everything else is and will be custom made, so that's pretty cool. It's the first game I've ever made where everything in it is custom, which is fun. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little update. More videos coming on for sure. Video, level design tutorials and stuff like that. But I just wanted to show you guys and kind of get your guys' opinion on this. So let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think? And yeah, thanks. Cheers.